Oh, so you gotta love my friends, the friends over at Kemimoto. You know, we get this ATV, we're like, hey, got any cool stuff? And they're just like, they're sending us stuff. Thank you, Kemimoto. You know, you guys are awesome. You're making the ATV riding that much more enjoyable, for sure. Anyways, today they sent us this, Kemimoto. It is you guys can see it here on the box, maybe, right there. Kemimoto, it's a cup holder. Motorcycle, a cup holder. But we're gonna put it on the ATV because why wouldn't you? So this comes in Canadian. You're looking at $25-ish, 25, 26, somewhere in that range. But not that I think I'll be going out being like, oh, I need a beverage with me all the time, because my rides probably won't be that long. But you know, you get a nice little thermos, especially I've been out in the cold the last little while riding. A thermos with some hot chocolate, some coffee. Could be tasty. Could be tasty. I'm gonna say it. You know, so here it is. This is it. This is the box, right? I'll turn it maybe this way. So you get Allen key, some Velcro. It looks like. I would also think maybe this is the manual, possibly, like how to actually put it together. I don't think there'd probably be much. Just kind of put it on your handlebars, right? Yep. This is the installation. So you got different kind of installs that you can do depending, it looks like, right? So that's sweet. I don't think it should be overly complex. Usually there's a clamp. This could be this, yeah, so it's not Velcro. It might be Velcro, but I think it's more like the rubber gasket that goes in like in the clamp just to make sure it fits your handlebars size, right? And then this here, let's throw all that down there. This here is it. This is, whew, that looks heavy duty, right? Does that not look like two? Is there two in this? Right? It definitely looks like two. I got two. Why is there two? That maybe just in case you have a passenger, or they're like, put one on your motorcycle, right? So it does look like it goes on the bars. Yes. You put a cup in there. It's definitely two. That's two. I got a 2-pack. Yep, 2-pack. You can tell. Two clamps. So I can put one on maybe on the back on the rack for Mary, so she could, when we're riding, she can have a beverage as well. Well, this install should be ridiculously simple. You know, there it is. Cup's gonna go in there. It does have this little dial on the bottom so that you can tighten it or extend it depending on what size of beverage you're going to be using. And it's just a nice snug in there, right? That's good. Okay, that's excellent. And they're both the same. Maybe I can have one for right hand, one for left hand. And then this goes on the back right there. So basically, you're clamping this to your bars. This is sitting on here. And because it has all these little like notch points, depending on how you want it, you know, do you go for your bars this way, it'll notch in here. If you want it to be angled a little bit, you just notch it in that way, right? And then what happens is you take one of these screws and you screw it in one of these. Now, the other thing is, I guess maybe depending, I'm not really sure. It feels like you could put a screw in the top one. Maybe if you're on a bike or something, you're just screwing straight in. Like if you're on a bicycle, a lot of those like bikes have like little screw areas right on the frame. I'm guessing that's what that would be for. But if you're going onto a motorcycle or an ATV, you're going to use one of these. Huh. Two. All right. Maybe one goes on the motorcycle. I don't think Mary has a cup holder on her bike. All right, let's go put one of these on the ATV. All right, guys, so we are outside now, and I've got the two of them on. So for me, it's up here. super simple. Like I said, you just kind of get it arranged to where you want it. Kind of get the screw on there, it all tightened where you want. You can angle it however, and then basically you put the little nut in there and it's mounted, good to go. Then I was like, okay, we'll put the second one on for Mary if she wants to ride with me. So there's my tank bag from them, which is doing a great job so far. But we put it back here, so we're like, that seems like it could be a sweet spot. You know, she's riding back there, she can put a beverage back there for herself, and it's just on her right side. Now we just need to make sure her leg fits in there, but I can't see that it wouldn't. I guess the easiest way is to see if it works for me. Hold on. Okay, so if I'm up here and I'm sitting on the, oh yeah, see? You know, you're sitting on the back, you got your beverage right here, boom, right there. That's all right, you know, sitting on the back. And if you're up at the front, your wheels, you got plenty. That's not going to dip down at all. It's just going to sit in this area, so it's not going to hit anything. Oh yes indeed, that's going to work quite nice. All right guys, well there you go. That's the Kemimoto cup holders. I didn't know that they were going to send us a dual pack, but now that we have it, super sweet. Mary's going to be able to have a beverage while we're out riding too. So if we want to do a longer trek, something that takes us out like for an afternoon or a full day, we should be good. I think we're going to be getting like a rear cargo area with like a seating pad or something like that coming. But I'd also like to get, you know, a little something that you can put extra fuel on, you know, so if you want to carry an extra 5 or 10 liters of fuel, just in case you kind of end up out in the middle of nowhere and you realize, oh, I don't have any gas. So leave comments down below if you know of a good one, something that's not horribly big. And I need to figure out, I guess you could mount it to the racks, but I think you can also mount it somewhere on the back. So lots to learn and lots to figure out. All right guys, that's my CFMoto 400s with some more Kemimoto gear. Very cool. All right guys, links down below where you can pick this stuff up, and I'll leave you there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.